If you're over 50 and want to reshape your body, boost your balance, and rebuild your strength, you don't need to lift a single weight. That's the power of isometric training. No reps, no jumping, no machines. Just simple static holds that awaken deep muscles most people forget even exist. These 6 isometric positions can completely change how your body moves, feels, and ages, and you can do them anywhere, anytime, even in your living room. Before we begin, drop a quick comment with your name and where you're watching from. I love seeing our fitness family from all over the world. Let's start face down on the floor. Stretch your arms and legs out, then slowly lift them off the ground. Just a few inches, like you're flying. Welcome to the Superman hold. This position strengthens your lower back, glutes, and the back of your legs. Every second you hold it, you activate deep stabilizing muscles that support your spine and protect your posture. Here's the secret. Don't overarch your back. Keep your chest slightly lifted, gaze toward the floor, and breathe naturally. Start by holding for 20 seconds, 3 times. With time, work up to 40 seconds. You'll notice something interesting after a few days. Your posture improves, your walk feels steadier, and even long hours sitting don't make your back ache as much. Now we move to your upper body. The isometric push-up hold targets your chest, shoulders, triceps, and core all at once. Start in a regular push-up position. Hands just wider than your shoulders. Body straight from head to heels. Lower your chest halfway down and hold it there. You'll feel your arms shake. That's good. Hold for 15-20 seconds, 3 rounds. If it's too difficult, drop to your knees, but keep your body straight. Avoid 2 mistakes. Don't let your hips sag or rise. Don't shrug your shoulders toward your ears. It strains your neck. As you progress, hold longer, 30, 40, or even 60 seconds. If you want more challenge, bring your chest closer to the floor, or shift one hand forward for an uneven grip. Remember, form before time. Always. Next, we move to your legs, your foundation. The wall squat, or the invisible chair. Lean your back against a wall. Slide down until your knees are bent around 90 degrees. And hold. Keep your back flat and your core engaged. At first, 20 seconds might feel like forever. Your thighs will shake, but that's muscle activation at its finest. Breathe deeply, in through your nose and out through your mouth. Never hold your breath. This hold strengthens your quads, glutes, and stabilizers around your knees, improving how you walk, climb stairs, and stay balanced. Over time, increase your hold to 40 or 60 seconds. Now let's train your grip, shoulders, and spine. The dead hang. Grab a sturdy bar. Hands shoulder width apart. Hang with your arms extended, feet off the floor, and shoulders gently pulled down away from your ears. You don't need to move, just hold. Start with 10-20 seconds, 3 rounds. As you get stronger, work up to 45 or 60 seconds. Avoid hanging loosely. Always keep your shoulders slightly active. It protects your joints and decompresses your spine after long hours of sitting. If you can't hang your full body weight yet, use a lower bar and keep your feet lightly touching the floor for partial support. Even that brings great benefits. This next one's for anyone who sits too much. The isometric glute bridge. Lie on your back, knees bent, feet flat, close to your hips. Lift your hips until your body forms a straight line from shoulders to knees. Hold this position, squeezing your glutes and keeping your core tight. Start with 20 seconds, 3 rounds, then increase gradually. Press your heels into the floor and breathe steadily. Over time, you can raise one leg for an added challenge. This move rebuilds stability, prevents back pain, and helps you regain power in your stride. And finally, the king of core stability, the plank. Start on your forearms and toes, body in a straight line from head to heels. Pull your belly button toward your spine. Engage your glutes and hold. If you're just starting out, aim for 15-20 seconds. As you build strength, increase to 45 or 60 seconds. The plank improves posture, prevents lower back pain, and enhances balance by strengthening your deep abdominal muscles. Before we finish, a quick bonus tip about creatine. If you're training consistently, creatine helps your muscles produce energy, increases strength, and supports lean muscle maintenance as you age. But dosage and timing matter. So make sure you check out our next video, where we break down exactly how to take creatine safely after 50. You don't need a gym or complicated workouts to transform your body. These 6 isometric exercises are simple, safe, and unbelievably effective. Just a few minutes a day can build strength, protect your joints, and keep you independent for decades to come. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share it with a friend who's staying strong after 50. Remember, consistency is the real secret to youth. Stay strong, stay steady, and I'll see you in the next one.